Hey neighbor, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a specialized profile on Upwork and how to create your Upwork portfolio. If this is something you're interested in, kindly give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Share this video with your friends and families, and of course, subscribe to the channel. This keeps me motivated. Before we get started, you need to unlearn. I need you to unlearn everything you know about creating an Upwork portfolio because you're going to learn something new. Okay, let's do it. Let me show you how I did this. But first, let me show you how to create a specialized profile. This is the profile I use for tutorials. Yeah, I used it I've forgotten the milestone. I used it for the ALX Virtual Assistance Program. Okay, so to create a specialized profile, all you need to do once you've signed in to your Upwork profile, all you need to do is to click on Profile Settings. Obviously you can see that this profile, I'm not using it. How is this private? Let's just make it public. Okay, all right, so you go down, you will see specialized profiles, so you can create 2 specialized profiles on Upwork, right? So all you need to do is to click on add specialized profile. The saving gift of grace. We've suggested specialties below based on your profile. Select a specialty tab again. Okay, let's see all. Okay, so let's check this out. So the first profile we want to create is should we use lead generation? Let's see. Let me see. Let's just go down and see. Let me just search for it. Okay, let me just search for social media. So these are the 2. So we're going to use social media strategy. Yes, let's do social media strategy. Click on continue. Under social media strategy, you want to select the different skills you are conversant with. So we're going to choose social media management, advertising management, content creation, of course, content management, content marketing strategy, social media marketing. Here we'll choose SEO, we'll choose community engagement, we'll choose content management plan. Then for the platform, we are going to choose Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook is not just, I don't know, YouTube. Alright, so that's it. Click on save. You can add other skills as well if you want. So for your title, we're going to say social media manager. Click on save and continue. Alright, so they're going to bring up your profile, what you had initially on your profile. You can change this. You should definitely change this, okay? I'm just going to click save and continue. Review specialized profile. Alright, so your next step is to review your profile before you publish, particularly the work history where projects were automatically updated. Alright, and then you click on publish. This is the specialized profile, and this is the default that we had initially. So that's how you create a specialized profile. Let's say I see a VA project that's specifically for administrative or executive VAs. I can use this profile to apply for it. I can edit it and remove the content creator here. All right, if I see one for social media manager, I use this other one to apply for it. So that's basically the essence of having specialized profiles on Upwork if you're offering different skills. Now let's move on to your portfolio. Yay! Okay, so how do you create a portfolio on Upwork? Before we get started, what's the difference between a profile and a portfolio? Okay, a profile is basically what you use to apply for a project, a job. Your profile basically is like your resume that tells the client, oh, this is me. I'm a VA that specializes in social media management. Your profile is basically your Upwork resume, okay? Your profile basically tells while your portfolio shows. Yeah. That was good. Your profile tells while your portfolio shows. I think that's it. That's the difference between a portfolio and your Upwork profile. Okay, now how do you create your portfolio? You can separate your portfolio based on the services you provide. One can be social media, another project management, another email and calendar management, as you wish. But there's something else I'm going to show you, and I would advise you to add it to your portfolio section on your Upwork profile. Okay, all right, so let's get started. Okay, let's say the first project we want to add is our social media project that we did for a client. All you need to do is to click on add a project. Do not, I see people try to add their normal portfolio. Why am I calling it normal? Which one is abnormal? You know what I mean? Because I made a video portfolio on the channel. See people trying to drag that to Upwork. Don't do it. That portfolio has nothing to do with Upwork. Not nothing though, because the projects you linked to the portfolio, you can use that in your Upwork portfolio. But don't just go and design portfolio on Canva and then drag it to Upwork. Let me show you another way you can do it. Okay, so our project title is social media management. Here you can, I won't advise you to bring in the client's name here, except of course it's a renowned brand like, let's say, YouTube, Netflix. You definitely want to bring that here. Say it's Mfon. I won't really advise you to bring the client's name here, except of course you ask the client first. Okay, let's say you asked me and then I said yes, and then you can bring my name here. Okay, so social media management for Mfon Akpan. Or you can just add social media management. Okay, don't mind me. All right, so your role, you would say, let's copy this, social media manager. Oops. Then you add VA to it. Let me check if this thing is recording now. All right, so for the description, you want to make this place detailed. Okay, you want to use, if you can use the whole 600 characters, go for it. And make sure you add, don't just go and tell ChatGPT what to do. By the way, watch this video on the screen on how to use ChatGPT effectively. All right, don't just go there and tell ChatGPT to write description for you, bring it and dump here. Make sure you add keywords, searchable keywords that are related to this project, that are related to this skill. You might ask, Mfon, why bother? This is for ranking. Okay, SEO neighbor. So make sure you add keywords here. Let me just say increased followership. Okay, so the next thing is your skills and deliverables. Add up to 5 skills. All right, let's see content creation if we're going to find. Allow me see what I'm doing now. I don't understand. Okay, so let's just use 2, but you make sure to add 5 skills here. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is to add content. What do you add here? Here you have the option to upload images, videos, add text block. We're going to come to that. Add web link. Okay, add a PDF, add an audio file. I see people just carry their portfolio. You remember the portfolio we're talking about initially, and then they just come here and upload the PDF. I do not want you to do that, because this project that we are creating, this portfolio project we're creating, is specifically for social media management. And your general portfolio probably has like social media management, administrative, lead generation, has so many things. We do not want to bring that here. We do not want to upload a PDF. We're not interested. Okay, you can also add an audio file here. So you might be saying, okay, for what else can we add? How do we add our project? Now you must have taken a screenshot of the social media account, let's say Instagram, okay, of the Mfon Akpan, the before and after. Okay, you've saved it in your Google Drive. Now I need you to go copy that link and bring it here. All right, let me look for a link. So what I'm going to be working with right now is the YouTube video. Say I edited a video for the Mfon Akpan. Let me go copy a video link from my channel. Okay, so I've copied the link. What I want to do now, I will come here where it says add text block. and then I'm going to say edited YouTube video. Yeah, and then I'll click on add content. It's a link. Oh no 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 no, back. It's a video, so I'm going to click on video. You can upload the video if you have it, or you can just add the link like I am doing now. Bless me. And then it's to bring up the video. By the way, you need to watch this video. It's a step-by-step process on how to create and manage a project board. Super important. Okay, so you click on add. It's not me I'm leaning on. Lead me on. Oh Jesus. What happened? Video player interactions are disabled in edit mode. Whatever. So your next step now is your thumbnail. Now, the mistake you make is to leave this thing like this. Don't do it. Don't leave it like this. To design a thumbnail for Upwork is super easy. Let me show you how to do it. So you want to come to Canva and click on custom size. Alright, you add for the width, we're going to choose 936 for the width, and for the height, it's going to be 750. This is the dimensions for Upwork thumbnail. It's not YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and make sure that the unit is in pixels, like px. Alright, and then we'll create new design. Alright, so we have our dimensions, we have our blank sheets. What you want to do next now is to come here to elements. I hope you are seeing this on the screen. Click on elements and search for frames. We're going to search for rectangle frames. So let's say Donald, I'm recording now. Rectangle frame. Donald, I'm recording. So you click on rectangle frames, and then we're going to choose, you can choose, let's choose this one. You can just drag and drop, bring it here. Then you expand this, and then you come to border style. Increase the border a bit. Okay. Ground to black. Yes, and also change the border color. So once you change the border color to white so it can pop, come here, click on white. That's the YouTube video editing. I can't see what I'm typing. Okay, let's change the color. Let's change the fonts to, I love using Leaks Factor. And then you change the color to white. What can we add here? You can either add the thumbnail of the video you created, or you can just do something different. Okay, you can just go to Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. You know I always go to Pinterest. And just click on download. You can get these images on pixels. I just love using Pinterest. And somebody will come and ask me if it's free. Just use it. Okay, so we're going to, why am I clicking on share instead of save? You click on the three dots here and download the image. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to upload the image to Canva. This is how you do it. You click on upload, click on upload files. My file folder might not show on the screen, so yeah. So you bring it here. So we're back to Upwork. Instead of leaving this thumbnail preview, like this is the thumbnail from the video, instead of leaving it like this, we're opting for a more professional look. Okay, so to add a new designed thumbnail, you click on the plus button. You might not see what's on the screen next, so sorry, because of my phone. I've uploaded the thumbnail with design, so click on publish. Portfolio project is published. Anyone viewing your profile will be able to see it now. We'll click on done. Yay! Oh my god, this is it. I'm going to add another project. Okay, the next one we're going to add is going to be for project management. Okay, so you click on the plus button again, and then you come here and say for the title, let's not use that. For the title you say project. No, let's use Let's use something else. Projects manager. Okay, so you know the drill. Project management, what are you going to add here? You're going to add a screenshot of your project board. Make sure to watch that video. It's very important. Okay, of the project board you organized and managed. That's what you're going to add here. It's in your Google Drive. So all you need to do is to copy the link. Do I have any of my projects? Copy the URL of my Trello account. So I'm just going to bring it here. I'm going to design our project management thumbnail. Okay, so to do that, we're just going to duplicate this. You come here, duplicate page, because we want to maintain the aesthetics. So we're just going to say project management here. Me and project management. Okay, so for the thumbnail picture, we're going to go back to Pinterest. Alright, we're going to search for Trello board. Which are we going to use? Let's use this. You can use your Trello board though, like the picture of your Trello board. I didn't want to go back to Trello, and I didn't even want to open that my account. I'm trying as much as possible to keep this video very short. So you download, and we're going to head back to Canva. So let's upload our thumbnail. You click on the image icon, the picture icon. You will not see this part of the video. I'm trying to upload the file now. Okay, here we have our thumbnail. We click on publish. You can resize this. Oh my god, I didn't show you that. So let's add another one, but we're not going to go through that long process. Okay, right? Maybe I'll just speed this up. Okay. What brought you to my profile? Is it inbox management? Is it project management? Is it social media management? So the person can click on this, or alright, so once the person clicks on that, the person is going to see what my role was, what your role was, what the project description, key skills, and most importantly, the person is going to see the project. Don't just tell, show. That's it. That's how you create your Upwork portfolio. Very professional, very straight to the point. All right, so I said I was going to show you something else. Here you can also add your video pitch. Okay, create a video pitch. Now I am not talking about, if you had attended the first webinar I had, you understand what I mean. If you did not watch that webinar, go and watch it. It's on the channel. Create that video. Once you're done watching that webinar, create the video. I told you how you're going to create that video. It's not your regular video pitch. When you are done, you can add the URL here to your video that is unlisted on your YouTube channel. So we created this portfolio with our general VA profile. So for the specialized profile on social media strategy, I can bring my social media management project here. So I just wanted to show you that you can create portfolios for different specialized profile. That's it, neighbor. That's how you create your Upwork portfolio. Make sure to watch first the project management video, and second the webinar on how to create your video pitch. Okay, I don't know, probably I'll make a separate video for that, but for now, make sure to watch that video. It has that webinar, it has all the information you need. If this video was helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. And if you have any questions at all, of course, drop them in the comment section. And as you know, I will definitely respond to it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, neighbor.